My name is Steve Parker and I'm a Business Development Manager here at TE Connectivity. Today I'd like to take a couple minutes just to talk about two of our newer products. One is our BCAC IC line of inspection covers, and the other is our MVCC line of split hose. We were looking for two features. The first feature is that it stays nice and supple and flexible, especially in cold weather. The second one is the amount of overlap that you have at the end, so that when you're in a tight turn, you don't wind up with it puckering. So what we try to do first is we take the split hose, and on our bare conductor for our bushing, we put the split hose and we try to go up at least 2 feet from the bushing. Just zip it up, out it goes. And that's it. Stays in place. Some people use fusion tape to lock it in place if it's a big run. Other people use zip ties. Either way. There's several features that we put into the design of this inspection cover that we think makes it a superior product out there on the market. First off was that we made sure that we had our overall cage pattern go all the way from the bottom all the way to the top. We did this not only for viewing angles and things like that when you're trying to inspect the bushing in the connector inside, but also we're trying to limit the amount of bug house that we'd have up here at the top. By making the three-piece design, we not only wind up with more cable exit coming out of the sides, but if you look at the top, we'll have plenty of cable exit coming out of the top and plenty of water wash to make sure that we don't have any bugs living inside the cover. So basically, take the cover, put it around the insulator, the bushing. What we try to do is to be between the first and second skirt from the top so that we don't take any of the BIL out of the insulator. Lock the covers in place, the latches in place, and done. So now you have a full inspectable connection and bushing top. You have the split hose coming off the top. And the reason that we do this is so if you were to think about it, if you had a cat or a squirrel or whatever and it's on the ground at the top of a tank, this cover will keep it from going phase to ground. If it's a bird, let's say an owl or what have you, and he's eating his frog, if you have multiples of these coming out, let's say it's like top of a breaker, that bird will pop up, put his wings out, and he'll go phase to phase. So it's cheap insurance to take the split hose and cover up at least 2 feet in order to take care of the avian side of the animal mitigation. So BCAC IC covers come in 4 different sizes, from a very small one all the way up to this extra large size, and then 4 different sizes of our MVCC split hose. Thanks very much.